Hey guys, it's Candy Toy Box DIY. Today I want to show you some more ideas for repurposing Zuru's Mini Brands 5 Surprise. You may have seen this first part of the video from our channel or on our channel, Candy Toy Box Kids, but I just had to add in the new ways I found for repurposing them. So, these are great for repurposing into organizers for jewelry or small items like jewelry or Barbie shoes or hair clips or sewing stuff. And that's what you can see here. We hot glued the Zuru slices onto the hard surface and used the little cubbies for organizers for jewelry and other items. Okay, so this I kind of discovered on accident. I noticed the width of these little slices were the same as that box. And then I noticed if you put just 3 of them, one on the 3 sides, and you put it up against like the wall or it's up against the end of the books or wherever it needs to be, it makes a really nice like small desk organizer. See, it looks great actually. Paint job could have been better, but yes. Now this one I'm very excited for. I noticed that there were holes on the sides, and I hooked the jewelry O-rings on there, and if you line up the 2 chains on each side, it actually looks very nice. I showed it to my daughter and she liked it, and then she said, "Mom, can you paint it black?" So that's what I'm doing here. And that turned out even better. I think it would look really nice if there were small plants hanging in there. Maybe it's up against a wall by a window or something with like small plants in it. Maybe basil or something. I think that would look cool. But yeah, so there you have it, guys. If you enjoyed this repurpose project and you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and check out all of our other videos. We hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching, and Candy Toy Box. Peace out.